Skye here with Goodwin-Cole, a beautiful house off Fair Oaks Boulevard in Sacramento. Just finished this install. It's a permanent patio structure that is easily retractable and adjustable by the push of a button on a remote. As you can see, everything looks absolutely beautiful, dialed in perfectly. The wiring is totally hidden. We use only the best materials and products here at Goodwin-Cole and have installers that have been working for us for a long time. If you're interested in any type of shade needs, Goodwin-Cole.com, 916-381-8888.